Let me ask you a question. You got all that money. You a money magnet? You a money magnet? Let me hear you say it.
I'm a money magnet.
I'm a money magnet. You hear that? She's a money magnet, y'all. Check this out, right? Bought this brick right here. I don't know if you can see that. Last year, and I think we paid $13 an ounce for this brick. So I'm about to go trade this brick in. This is a 10 ounce worth of silver. So I'm gonna go trade this in for some cash. So the good thing about it is, you know, this is always worth cash wherever you go. So you want to make sure you're picking up things or you investing in things that you can always trading the currency because it's always holding value. So, you know, this is worth what it's worth to the right person. You know, you bring this into a restaurant and try to give this to the server, they're not going to accept this as payment, even though everybody recognizes. So you got to kind of just bring this to the right place. So we're about to convert this brick right here, this 10 ounce silver, into some liquid cash. Stay tuned. How we going to do that is we go into a regular pawn shop. You know, you could do it online. You could trade it in online and stuff like that. But I don't feel like going nowhere. So I got a buddy of mine that works over here. And I called him, and he let it go for me. I think he'll give it to me for $20 an ounce. So we're gonna go in here and pick up $200 cash real quick. Let's see how that goes. Stay tuned. Taking Nicole with me. What's up, fellas? So now we just trading in 10 ounce bar, and we'll see what do with that and convert. So you always want to pick up stuff like jewelry because you can always replace jewelry whenever you need to. All right, stop buying all that fake shit. Stop buying that fake shit. So do me a favor, show the people how much money you got. See? So she just went into the store, she gave them a silver brick, and they just gave her some cash, just like that. So you want to buy things that you can always repurpose and revalue at a later time. So once again, silver, gold, you know, copper, jewelry, you know, anything like that you can always repurpose. But then again, anything is valuable to the right person. So keep that in mind, all right? Let me ask you a question. You got all that money. You a money magnet? You a money magnet? Let me hear you say it.
I'm a money magnet.
I'm a money magnet. You hear that? She's a money magnet, y'all. Let me ask you a question. How did you make all that money? What did you do? Did you go get a job or something? Did you go to work? What did you do?
I did both of them.
You did both of them? What kind of job did you do?
All of them.
All of them? She did all of the jobs. Give me one job that you do. So now we're gonna go and we're gonna put that money in cash.
Yeah,
We're gonna put it into the bank.
okay.
And then we're gonna put it on your card, and then you're gonna put it in your trading account, and then you're gonna invest it. So, in case you're wondering why I sold that brick, I had some silver coins that we had bought a couple years ago, and it was just sitting there, you know. So when we bought those coins, they were $13. So now what we're gonna do is, because we trade, right? We day trade, we forex trade, we crypto trade. So that silver coin was just sitting there. So, you know, silver is good because it's solid currency that will be accepted worldwide. It's not digital currency. However, the silver was just sitting there. So what we did was we took a portion of that silver, we converted it to cash. Now we're gonna put the cash in the bank account, and then we're gonna upload the cash into our trading account. So we're using the same money, but we're gonna now multiply this money, we're gonna grow this money, and we're gonna build this money. While the silver was there, it was just accumulating value. But now we could take that same $200 and we could go day trade that $200. All right, so now we home and it's time to fund the account, right? We dropped the money in the account, went to the bank, put it in there. So now we're gonna go over to my partner in crime, and Felicia gonna show you how to fund your trading account. So, babe.
Yes.
Want to tell the people what's going on?
So, we just turned silver into cash money, okay? And then we took the cash money, put it into our bank account, Then we took that money in our bank account, put it into our Cash App, and then took that money from our Cash App, changed it into Bitcoin in order for us to be able to fund our account to make more money on our money. That's what we doing.
That's what we doing?
That's what we doing.
Wow. She said a lot, so you might have to watch that video a couple times, replay, because she said a lot, but she know what she talking about. She do this. So let them see what their account look like.
So we funded our account. There's plenty of brokers, but we went with IQ Cent. IQ Cent is going to be in the link below, okay? And I put in a promotion code so my money could, double up a little bit. Now, the money is here. You feel what I'm saying? And as you can see, we have currency pairs right here. We got the percentage that they're going to pay off those currency pairs if you put in a trade that actually hit exactly what you was trying to say.
What does that 75 cent mean? What does that 75% mean?
So 75% is the profit that you'll make on your money. And, every amount is different. So, for example, see this $10 right here? If I was to put in a trade right now for $10, either saying that the market for this currency was going to go up or down, call or put, I would make $7.50 on that $10.
Wow. So can you show them, I know today's Friday, I know the market is closed, so it's not really a good time to be trading.
Exactly. The market is closed. You should not be trading. You should have did your technical analysis. You should have did your fundamental analysis. And honestly, I usually trade going live with the people in the academy. So that's the number one thing. Until I figure this out. You feel me? But just for the people, we're gonna do $1. Okay. Just for the people, And just to let you know, this is not how you trade, okay? Doing it this way without any of those analyses that you're supposed to do is basically like gambling, okay? Because there's teachers who show you what to do, when to go in, when to come out, etc. So right now, okay, we're looking at it, and it seems to me that it's going up. So I say, something, I think it's going to continue to go up, but I'm going to wait till it kind of goes right down here. And then I'll press call. Call means I expect the market to go up. It's going to be for 1 minute. So in the 1 minute time, I expect that this line right here, this orange line is going to be above this gray line. And as long as it stays there after a minute, I made 0.75 on my dollar.
Okay.
So you think
you could do a call or you could do a put. You go either way, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it looks like it's up there now, so it might have to be a put.
It might have to be a put.
But go to the candlestick and see what it looked like. If we missed that.
Yeah, we probably did. If this goes up again one more time, or at least right here, I think I'm missing it. Come on, come back up. Where did it go? I think I'm gonna call it right here. It's $1. It's $1 just to show the peoples, okay? So the goal is for the line that's going up and down to stay under where I went in, under my entry point. That's called. And as long as it stays under there for 1 minute, I made 0.75 on my dollar.
Wow, just like that.
Well, we got, This was no technical analysis. This was no fundamental or probably sentimental, but it was sentimental. It was just me possibly just, all right, let's see how this is going to go. So this is the purchase deadline. So we're hoping that it's under there by the time it reaches this deadline right here. And if it is, then it'll be green, and if it's not, it'll be red. Come on back down. Oh. Red. So that's why the academy is very important, because when you trade with people who are actually traders who got 6-figure accounts, there's an 85% chance that you'll be a profitable trader. And all I got to do is copy and paste. You see, I just did this by myself and it was red. I don't like to see red. I like to see green. Okay? But it's all good. It was for the peoples. Because everything is closed, I'm going to exit out. And that's it. I'm going to wait till Monday. so I could trade with my Millie Mills, so I could trade with my Canvery, so I could trade with the people who know exactly what they're doing until I figure it out.
There you go. So that's what we did. We converted a hard, would you say a hard asset or some asset that we had sitting around the house, and we converted into something that we were able to grow, multiply, and flip just like that. So stay tuned.